Hi everyone, Anthony here, founder of Product Graph. Today I'm going to walk you through how Product Graph can help you unblock your engineering team by quickly spinning up a shovel-ready requirements document that is not AI slop. We recently created a new MPC server feature for Product Graph, and one of its requirements is that the MPC server requests be authenticated. For this feature to work in production, users need the ability to create and manage API keys, and we need the platform to validate those API keys on incoming requests. Like most AI assistants, you can describe what you want in plain text, pull in any relevant context, and the Product Graph AI assistant will work with you to flesh out any new functionality you want to add. Since we don't have a capability that this fits under, I'm going to start a new chat thread at the product level. I'm going to type out what I'm looking to create and iterate with the assistant until I'm happy with the results. So the assistant is proposing that I make a new capability, which aligns with my mental model of what I was looking for. So I'm going to go through and answer the questions proposed by the assistant. This will make sure that the assistant and I are aligned before we move forward with creating any artifacts. Okay, now that we've created the capability and the initial requirements, I'm going to go through and review and iterate on each of them. Okay, so those initial capabilities and features look acceptable to me. If I wanted to, I could go into each artifact individually and refine and edit them, or provide additional feedback to the assistant for additional refinement. Now I'm going to work with the assistant to break each feature down into a handful of requirements and add at least one acceptance criteria to each requirement. Jumping ahead, I was able to create and review all the requirements in about 10 minutes. Now we are going to pull in those new requirements into a project document. So artifacts like features and requirements are long-lived source of truth artifacts. Projects are short-lived artifacts that package functionality into an executable package. I already created a project. Now I'm going to select all the features and requirements I want to attach to this project. Next, I'm going to have the assistant flesh out the project document itself. Just like with the features and requirements, I'm going to iterate with the assistant until I'm happy with the results. I now have a well-defined project document that I can hand off to an engineering team or a coding agent like Cursor or Claude Code. That is it for today. If you're a founder or product manager who wants to move faster, check out Product Graph.